I'm on Cooper Road coming up to 25 towards Concord. It's a white Nissan Frontier.
Leaving Hoover. Try to get it into the station.
Can't see. See how fast the comments happen.
It's back to Paul County, surrounding the L direction.
Try to pull out the dam.
It's my G direct from the infield.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Sorry.
Get down!
I didn't do it. I'm sorry, the gas
Get down!
stuck. The gas got
Get down and roll over.
Hey,
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm sorry. Man,
Put that cigarette out.
What did I do?
Put the cigarette out.
I'm sorry. The gas got stuck.
Gas got stuck.
Anybody else in there?
No, it's just me, man. Oh.
V18 Newport.
Yeah. What did I do?
They come to a stop right here at Cooper and 25. Got one 1015. It's going to be Missouri 0 Henry John X-ray 28. 0 HJ X28. White Nissan Frontier. Out of Missouri.
For what? Did Willie not tell you to go say that?
10-4. You're on 25, passing Concord schools, headed towards Batesville. Turn left on Cooper. Got about 100 yards down dirt road.
John Figueroa.
Oh, see in my car? Put him in my car. Yeah, you was.
Nobody takes off like that, this shit.
Throw him in there. Other side. Have you searched him?
I didn't do nothing.
You'd be in charge of fleeing, I can tell you that.
For what?
From running for me.
I wasn't running from nobody.
Then why am I having to go at a high rate of speed down a dirt road to catch up to you? Good question. Sit in the car. Sit in the car and be quiet.
Yeah.
Fleeing's illegal.
I swear.
Shut up. Fleeing is illegal. It's my hat over there. Thanks, sir.
Did you do any damage?
I don't know. He said his car, because he tried to bail out and he probably threw something. So.
Hey, he's good. Hey, he's good. He's good. He's good.
Hey, puppy dog. Hey, come on. Come on. Let's go. Turn around. Go. Come on. He's good. You're good. Okay. Hey, is that car in park? No.
It is now.
He was out of the car when I got here, so.
Right here?
Yeah, walking back towards me. So he'd been out, and he's trying to stop it from rolling with his hands. I know.
25 lane.
I'm gonna back up about a foot, get his truck off my car.
Man, I didn't even know the police was. I didn't even know police was there.
Come on, dude.
I swear to God, man.
All right, well, just be quiet.